Okay, so hello everyone, this is Akshay here. Let us continue with today's GFG POTD streak. बहुत दिन बाद में वीडियो बना रहा हूँ बट कोशिश करेंगे आज से हम लोग कंटिन्यूस रहें, right? So today's question name is rotate a linked list. We have been given a head of a single linked list. The task is to rotate the linked list clockwise by k nodes, right? तो इसको हम तुरंत से नोटपैड पे ले चलते हैं और देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या कहना चाह रहा है. Okay, so here we have the head of the linked list, that is this one, right? This is nothing but 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, correct? And what we need to do is, and we need to go to the third node. Let's say for k equals to 3, we will come to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what is the, for k equals to 3, we need to go at 3 plus 1. That is the k plus 1 node, right? K plus 1 node. और उसे हमें head बना देना है. So this would be my head, that is 8, 9, and rest of the linked list would be as it is joined here, that is 2, 4, and 7, right? तो ठीक है यार, तो ये बहुत सिंपल हो गया. हमें बस k+1 नोड पे जाना है और रेस्ट ऑफ द लिंक लिस्ट को हमने एज इट इज ज्वाइन कर देना है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे पास क्या क्या पॉइंटर्स अवेलेबल होंगे एक बार हम साइड से देख लेते हैं. सो इट इज़ 2, 4, 7, 8 एंड 9. वी नो यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक हेड है, राइट? दिस इज स्टोर्ड एज हेड एंड वी विल ट्रैवर्स फॉर, लेट्स से हम यहाँ तक आना चाहते हैं, राइट? हम अपने पीटीआर को, लेट्स से पीटीआर को यहाँ लाना चाहते हैं. So what we will write? We will simply write a while loop, that while k greater than 0 and we need to traverse in the linked list, right? So I will just say ptr not equals to null, right? And I will just write in the iteration part is this ptr is nothing but ptr dot next, and I will do a k minus minus, right? So for k equals to 3, I will jump 3 times, so 1, 2, and 3. So this will be my ptr. Simultaneously, I need a pre ptr as well, right? Because let's look at the need again. So this would be 8 and 9, right? I want it to join it with my current head, right? And as soon as my this ptr reaches kth pointer, this would be my new head. Can I say that? This would be my new head, right? So what would be the pseudo code that my ptr, or let's say my new head, node new head is nothing but my ptr, right? And this seven should actually points to null in my resultant list, right? So can I say that if I maintain a pre-PTR, that is, and how do we do that? That's very simple. So we will just say, before moving ahead, that is PTR equals to PTR dot next, we will just say that pre-PTR is nothing but my PTR, right? So what will happen till the point, at the point when we will reach here as PTR, this will be nothing but my pre-pointer. Let's say pre-PTR. And I'll just say that my pre-PTR, which is now pointing to 7, should points to null according to my needs, right? I'll just say that pre-PTR dot next should be equals to null, right? So this would be our first step, this would be our second step, this would be our third step, right? What we need more is, we need to combine my PTR, right? ये जो लिस्ट रहा, राइट, k+1 के बाद जो भी जो एंड इसका नोड है, आई नीड टू कंबाइन दैट लास्ट नोड टू माई हेड, राइट? So I will again run a while loop. Right? And I will just say that while my ptr dot next is not equals to null, I'll go till the last node, right? And I will, in the iteration, I will just say ptr is equals to ptr dot next. And at the end of the iteration, I can just write ptr dot next is nothing but my given head as the parameter. And then we will have this linkage. That is the last node of our k+1 node. k+1 के बाद जो भी लास्ट नोड है वो हमारे हेड को पॉइंट कर दिया. सो हमने सब कुछ को हैंडल कर लिया यार. वी मेड दिस पॉइंटर, वी मेड दिस पॉइंट एज नल, एंड या एवरीथिंग हैज बीन हैंडल. ओके, सो वन केस आई थिंक यहाँ पे एक केस और जो दिक्कत देगा, दैट इज that let's say you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have just 4 nodes, right? And k was equals to 4, right? Then according to our first while loop, what will happen? That my ptr will point to null. I'll move forward k 4 times, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. My ptr will point to null. In this case, for k equals to 4, what should be our expected output? Expected output should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is the same list, right? So that means ki when our k is greater than my size of linked list, then we need to return the same linked list, right? हाउ डू वी हैंडल दिस केस? इस केस को हैंडल करने के लिए हम क्या लिख सकते हैं कि अगर ऐसा कोई केस होता है तो डेफिनेटली हम जिस पॉइंटर को आगे मूव कर रहे थे वो एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे नल को पॉइंट कर जाएगा, राइट? तो हम यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा केस लिखेंगे कि once you are done with this while loop, your first while loop, right? So here I will write one extra case that if my ptr is equals to null, then and there return head, right? Yep. So this would be our sequence of code. So let me rewrite it again. So this would be our step 1, then step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. Yep. This should handle all the edge cases for this problem, right? So please pause this video here, try to code this approach by yourself, and then we can see a code walkthrough. Okay, that would be a simple code walkthrough, the same thing which we have done in our pseudocode or the iterations we just saw, right? Node ptr equals to head, and we are making a pre-ptr just to make it point to null, right? So these are the list of nodes which is before which is residing in 0 till k nodes, right, of our original linked list. And we have handled this case. If k is greater than size, so ptr हमारा null को point करें, and that's in that case we need to return the original linked list and what we had. So rest of the steps are as it is that we have discussed in the dry run. So we made a new head which is pointing to ptr. Now why ptr not equals to null, that is we traverse to the last node, and we say that the last node should be pointing to our the head of the original linked list, and then we just return the new head. So that is it. So let us submit this code. Meanwhile it is submitting, what is the time and space complexity? So we are traversing strictly once, right? We are traversing strictly just once to each and every node. So it would be O of n, right? Not 2n, not 3n, just O of n. Strictly one traversal, right? So O of n as your time and O of 1 as your space, because we did not use any other space to solve this problem. Great. So let us end this video. Let's meet again in the next question. Till then, keep learning, keep going. Bye bye, and take care, guys. Hope you are doing well.